Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer ownership of your Facebook page. Okay, first things first. So, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. What you have to do now that you are currently in your Facebook, head on to your menu. It can be on the top right or the bottom right depending on what device you are using, if it is an Apple or an Android. In here, what you want to do is to press Pages. Now, what we have to do is to look for the page that you want to transfer the ownership to. Select that Facebook page, and it shall take you to a new page where you can switch to that FB page itself. And now, as you can see, I am now switching to that page. Now that you are in your Facebook page, head on to your menu again. Then, press Settings. In here, just press Page Settings. Then in here, you will have to scroll down and look for Page Access. In here, what you want to do is to select the first one under your People with Task Access or even add a new one. So then, search for the person's name who you want to transfer the ownership to. And after doing that, you will officially transfer the Facebook page that you want to transfer. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now transfer ownership of your Facebook page. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.